Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add contacts to your Hotmail or, Outlook account. It's super simple and, yeah, really helpful to keep your address book organized. First, sign into your Hotmail or Outlook account using your email and password. Yeah, make sure you're using the account you want to add contacts to. Once you're in, go to the top left menu and click on the app launcher icon. Then select people or contacts from the list. This is where all your contacts live. Next, click on New Contact. You'll see a form where you can add the contact's first name, last name, email, phone number, and any notes you want. Yeah, fill out as much info as you like. Makes it easier to recognize them later. After filling out the details, hit Save, and that's it. Your new contact is now added to your Hotmail/Outlook account. You can repeat this for anyone you want to add. And that's all there is to adding contacts in Hotmail or Outlook. Super quick, right? If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and, subscribe for more helpful guides. See you next time.